Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into Internet Computer, ICP, and honestly, what I'm about to share might completely change the way you see this project. Stick around, because this isn't your typical hype video. We're breaking down whale movements, technical patterns, development activity, and infrastructure updates, all of which could determine whether ICP is on the verge of an explosive move. Are you prepared to spot opportunities before the crowd catches on, or are you going to miss the chance once again? Let's get into it. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional before making any investment decisions. First off, let's talk about whales. Recent on-chain data indicates that addresses holding at least 1 million ICP tokens have sharply dropped. In just 2 days, the number of whale addresses went from 77 down to 66, a staggering 14% decline. This isn't mere speculation. These are verified wallet movements. Rapid exits like this can signal profit-taking, short-term fear, or even positioning ahead of a bigger move. Now, before you panic, remember that whale activity doesn't always spell disaster. Sometimes large holders exit briefly during volatile periods only to return when conditions stabilize. But this kind of behavior always deserves attention because it can influence short-term price dynamics. Let's shift to the charts. A leading analyst recently highlighted a critical demand zone for ICP around $2.83. According to this technical breakdown, if ICP can hold above this level, we could see a significant rally, potentially targeting resistance zones between $15 and $18. This isn't guesswork. It's grounded in historical support levels. The same analysis marked the current $3 price as the launch zone, indicating a potential 600% move from previous lows. For those familiar with technical analysis, this is the second touch scenario, a classic setup where patterns often trigger major moves. And there's more. A deck screener chart shows ICP with around $4.8 million in total value locked and $233,000 in 24-hour trading volume. These metrics may not seem massive at first glance, but combined with strong development activity, they suggest ICP is quietly gaining real traction under the radar. Here's a jaw-dropping fact. Internet Computer's technology is revolutionary, yet it trades at just around $3 with a $1.8 billion market cap. To put this into perspective, there are other chains valued 10 times higher, often with less advanced tech. So the question becomes, is ICP severely undervalued, or is the market missing something? From a long-term perspective, the data implies that ICP might be one of the most underappreciated opportunities in crypto today. Its infrastructure, security, and innovative architecture place it light years ahead of many competitors. Of course, no analysis is complete without considering potential risks. An updated Elliott Wave analysis suggests limited upside near $7.70 before a probable retrace to $4.84, or even lower in extreme scenarios. This is based on weak buying volume and a completed downward impulse wave from previous highs around $23. Additionally, resistance near $5 is critical. If ICP fails to break past this level, bearish extensions below prior lows could occur. While Elliott Wave theory isn't foolproof, combining it with other indicators highlights potential downside risks, especially if current momentum doesn't strengthen. Another reminder, a descending triangle pattern from November predicted a breakdown if ICP fell below $7. Early critics dismissed this as overly pessimistic, but by December, the retracement confirmed the predicted rejection at $7. Patterns like these reinforce the importance of respecting technical signals over personal bias. Now, for the part that genuinely excites me. According to Crypto Miso rankings, ICP has topped developer activity charts over the past 3 months, clocking 1,207 GitHub commits. That's more than competitors like Chainlink at 904 and Mina at 874. Why does this matter? High developer activity during price downturns is one of the strongest signals that a project is building real value. Despite a 58.6% drop in price during this period, ICP's team continued shipping updates, proving commitment to long-term growth. Historically, such projects often explode in value when market sentiment shifts. Adding to that, technical indicators like the MACD show weakening selling momentum while price action is reaching long-term horizontal support. Bullish divergences are appearing, which often indicate bottom formation and a potential trend reversal. ICP isn't just showing promise on charts, it's also improving infrastructure in meaningful ways. It's now listed on DeFi Llama's bridge tracker, enabling users to monitor inflows and outflows directly. This increases transparency and ecosystem credibility, a crucial factor in blockchain adoption. Additionally, the ICP dashboard now proactively flags suspicious transactions, drastically reducing clutter from scam or poisoned addresses. This upgrade makes it easier for users to focus on legitimate activity, ensuring a safer and more user-friendly experience. So, where does all of this leave us? ICP is at a crossroads. On one hand, we have bullish technical setups, unparalleled developer activity, and infrastructure improvements positioning the project for significant long-term growth. On the other hand, whales are exiting, Elliott Wave projections hint at downside risks, and price weakness persists. This is exactly the kind of setup where careful traders can maximize gains while managing risk. At $3, with potential upside above $15, the risk-reward ratio is compelling, but stop losses and position sizing are critical. The key takeaway is simple: respect the data, watch the development, and prepare strategically. Internet Computer is not just another crypto token. Its fundamentals, developer dedication, and cutting-edge technology make it one of the most exciting projects to watch in 2025. Whether you're looking for short-term swings or long-term growth, ICP deserves a careful look. So, what do you think about ICP's current position? Are you bullish on its growth in AI and DeFi? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found value in this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay cautious, and I'll catch you in the next one.